Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of the world. It seems like everybody out here wanna be a beast nowadays, and that's cool, you can be a beast, man. But what I done stepped up my game. I'm a creature. Yeah, now the only reason I came is to explain I'm changed. I ain't living the same, cause I'm a what? I'm a creature. I'm a who? I'm a creature. I'm a what? I'm a creature. I'm a who? I'm a creature. Your boy brand new, that's how I do what I does. So I never go back to who I was, cause I'm a what? I'm a creature. I'm a who? I'm a creature. I'm a what? I'm a creature. I'm a who? I'm a creature. Father, I tried to tell a nigga used to me, but it's like they'd rather I go back to how I used to be. But that's the same as running, jumping off a roof to me. With no parachute, the landing won't turn out beautifully. That's for real. I close my eyes to get you to see. I hustle to the point you're probably thinking it was two of me. My roots run deep, impossible to move a tree. That's evidence of what growing in faith to do to me. I'm a creature, man, gone put the pressure on me. So sharp with the word, they threaten to put de-esser on me. Yes, sir, only cause he's something like a specialist. I'm off the chain, that's why you don't see a boy in necklaces. I'd be reckless if I tried to entertain every negative imagination in my brain. Matt 6 and 33, yeah, I'm a seeker. You can feel it through the speaker. Your boy D-Mob's a creature. Yeah, now the only reason I came is to explain I'm changed. I ain't living the same.
So, this piece is called Built by Imagination. Basically, if you take me for an example, when people think of me, they think of basically my characters, my art, my everything. And so basically my imagination is what you think of. Built by Imagination. It's everything that it is.
My name is Marietta Golden and Denzel Washington. Demetrius Washington. Call him Dizzy. I call him Dizzy.
That's what family calls me.
Yeah.
That's what family
It's my nephew. He's my great nephew. And I'm here to support him. I brought two of my daughters and how many grandchildren?
How do we get on children and grandchildren? I thought we were talking about 10
grandkids running around here.
Wow.
So anyway, I'm just here to support my nephew Demetrius right now. And this wonderful, wonderful painting.
First gallery show.
Oh wow! So what do you think about his artwork?
It's unique, very unique, and it's him, you know. And I think it's wonderful. It's great. It's artistic. What more can I say, you know? And I'm very, very proud of him. Yeah.
Did you watch him as he grew up in his art?
Oh, absolutely. Right. He's always liked to draw. He and two of my grandsons, they used to draw together. And so he's just really putting his heart and soul and following his passion. And he's really experiencing his passion. And I think that's really great to do something that you're passionate about, that you feel good about, and you're actually, following that. Because some people don't, they don't follow their passion.
Right, that's true.
I'm a creature. I'm a what? I'm a creature. I'm a who? I'm a creature. Your boy brand new, that's how I do what I does. So I never go back to who I was, cause I'm a what? I'm a creature. I'm a who? I'm a creature. I'm a what? I'm a creature. What you say? I'm a creature. Now, you look at me and see I'm changed, man. Me and the resurrector, now we got the same plan. And that's to motivate the legs of the lame man, cause the Father can crush and restore you with the same hand. So I let him take charge like a visa, cause you either love him or you live your life with the deceiver. You're all for fame and fortune, I suggest you choose neither, cause he'll lead you where banana clips peel like Chiquita. I'm validated by the king, so that mean I ain't never gotta worry about a thing. The way I used to live was quite dirty and obscene, but because the blood washed me, I can scream, I'm clean. I had to go with Christ, left your boy bitter. No apologies, but he's who I follow, like Twitter. I was told everything gold don't glitter. Guard your life, it could be gone in the flash. Get the picture. Now the only reason I came is to explain I'm changed.
So tell us a little bit about what you guys think about his artwork, and what do you guys see in it when you view it?
Oh, I think that is very creative, and I'm glad that he's keeping a biblical basis for his artwork, because every piece that he does has a spiritual meaning, and I'm just so proud of him. That's my grandson, my second oldest, and I am very, very proud of him.
Yeah, and I've seen that in his art that it's really like individualism, and that it's part of him, and he's really putting himself into the art, and he's making it's not just he also being very creative, but it's also sending a real message that he wants to convey in his art.
Awesome.
Listen, glam, I up and move like you, huh? But that don't mean you can't be fresh, yo, Dougie tight, just watch your step. Psalm 112, 1-3, righteous do get well. You heard the hook, I ain't the same. Strength of Christ won't let me change. I'm something like an old grumpy person, I'm stuck in my ways. Thank God he done softened up the hardest guy, and made tears fall from eyes that would never cry. Ever since I've been with him, I had no choice except to rise. Took a skinny spirit, made it fatter than some thunder thighs. Soon as I switch my style to Christian from Sec Live, and gliding through the sky like Drexler. Yes, I'm a preacher.
Now the only reason I came is to explain I'm changed. I ain't living the same